Wayne here, Phoenix, Typewriter.com. Got a SM-3 Olympia. We just reconditioned. It's looking good. This came out just perfect. The chrome on this machine is spectacular. Look at the reflection here. Just great. Front and back, upside down, it's all good. No tab stops. You can just move individual tab stops here. Just move those. Position them. Your margins are right up here. Simple as it gets. Paper stand, automatic inject paper stand. Again, this chrome is perfect on this machine all around. It's looking good. Let's take a look at it while it's typing. In fact, let's go ahead and open this lid and we'll take the lid off. It's got a nice old sticker on here from a company that's been around a long time, because 1903 it says, since 1903, in Michigan. Pretty neat. So we're just going to take this lid off here real quick. This lid's come off real easy. You just squish this over and you can take this lid off. And you can see inside of here at will. Let's do a little typing on it here. This is a pica type machine. It's got some nice large print. Pretty nice typewriter. Of course, like I said, clean as could be. This is basically reconditioned. This machine also has shock absorbers under each keytop here. It's a feature that Olympia only put on their SM-3s. I'll show you that feature. So we got a shift key right here. And if you look at this plunger, it actually squeezes together. See that? See that movement? So that's a little shock absorber, but every single letter has one of those. That moves, that moves, that moves. So it's a little cushiony on your fingertips. I suppose it's just made for comfort, and so you don't get the slamming of your fingers against the keytops. And the underside of this machine is beautiful too. Just came out perfect. We put new body mounts in here, all four corners. Spacebar bumpers up here were replaced. Just your basic recondition type job. And that's about it. Just wanted to show this guy off real quick. Snap this lid back on here. And we'll get a close-up of the typing again. Have a good day.